Hi guys, welcome back to another quick video. So this is the trades that I'm in. I'm trading silver. I actually placed these trades yesterday because I was anticipating some move to the upside on silver. I think in the morning I caught up a scalping trade somewhere there. Then eventually I decided this thing was going to break out and we were going to see some upward movement. I'm going to close some of these trades soon. But I don't know, probably we'll see some movement onto the upside. You don't know, but what you want to do in trading is you get your money and you get out. Most of the time people actually lose money by staying in the market longer than they should. So that's a hint for you. And why did I take these trades? Why did I take these trades? Guys, watch the videos on this channel. I tell you how I use the US dollar index as my compass. The dollar index is my compass. I rely on the dollar index. I then do all the other shenanigans that I can do, but I rely on the dollar index for my direction. Basically, if the dollar index is going down, I know Euro USD is going to go up. For example, like that. Let's just do that. Let's come here and do 4 hourly like that. But it's more visible on the 1 hour. So let's just go to the 1 hour like that. But what you find, the simplest strategy, guys, the simplest strategy anyone can tell you, guys, look at what's happening on Euro USD. Get this picture. If you go to the dollar index, it's going to be the same picture, just looking down. Once you understand that, you have done pretty much most of your work. Look, it's the very same picture, it's just looking down. If we go back to Euro USD, look, it's a picture but it's looking up. But on dollar index, same picture but looking down. In any case, you have your own charts. I want you to open Euro USD or on the side and open the dollar index on the side. Some other brokers call it USDXY. For some is dollar index, for some is like my broker USDX. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below if you want to download my system here and all the other things that people are selling out there: forex robots, indicators, books, courses and stuff like that. Everything for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So that's how I am able partly to predict these moves. I just look at the dollar index. That's what I do. To make my life simple, I usually trade only dollar-based pairs. Dollar-based pairs, major pairs. I tried trading the exotics and stuff. For me, the spread is too much for me, and sometimes they just don't move. So I trade mostly major pairs with dollar in them, because I can simply wake up in the morning and come and understand what the dollar index is probably going to be doing for that day. If it's going to be going up, if I anticipate the dollar index is going to go up, then I can start with my Euro USD, look for opportunities for sales. Go to my silver. I love silver. I trade gold. I trade Euro USD, I trade USD JPY, sometimes I do trade GBP USD, but I love trading silver. Peep value for silver, it's amazing. It's amazing. You can see the swap that I paid because I took these trades yesterday. So I had to hold these trades for quite long. So that's why I have the swap there. But it's really not anything much. But in any case, of course, some people say I'm bragging. Some people say this is fake. Some people say, I don't know. I don't care what you think, guys. To be honest, I don't care what you think. There are people who, when I was losing money, people never came to me and say that's a fake thing when I'm showing my losses. The moment that a person starts showing making money, then people are quick to jump and say, that's fake, that's fake, that's in any case, whether a person is faking it or is doing it right, but if they are able to show that what they are doing is working, for me, that's all that you need. It means the concept that they are using is working. So what you can do in the morning, especially if you trade dollar based pairs, is wake up in the morning. First, understand what is going to happen with the dollar index, USDXY. You can see there it's now changing. It's now changing. It's a new hour, but usually I'm trading on the 4 hourly and sometimes on the 1 hour. But in any case, here, like I said, after understanding what's happening on the dollar index, then I come for my opportunities. Opportunities is I trade key levels. Now my dollar index has come to my key level there. I'm looking to close my trades because I don't know whether now we are going to go back up or we might actually break through here. But in any case, you need not stay any longer than you should in the market. So for me, from here onwards, I think I'm done. I need to start just closing my trades, and that's it. I'm hoping that this gives you something to think about. USDXY. Then if you want to trade key levels with me, I don't know, or I don't know the strategy that you use, but USDXY, guys, is the key, is the compass. It's the compass. Then you can trade whatever you want to trade, but just watch what's happening on the dollar index. You'll be certainly have done maybe 50% of the work that you needed to do to analyze your charts. Feel free to disagree with me. Guys, like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. See the links in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.